Okay, so you will have completed the moving balance sheet exercise and you'll have got to this point, and all you do is press your left mouse button on the arrow, hold it down and then swipe across, and now we're into the January pre-market. For those of you who have followed through on the moving balance sheet exercise, I'm going to go through the same process, just following the checklist using the banner in the top icon tray, and I'll be opening up the help button just to show you exactly what I'm doing. So we're starting the business again. That's the first thing to say. So I'm going to hit the help button and I'm going to do exactly what it says. So in this time we're going to be investing 40. The 40 silver coins move across to the share capital part of the board, which is now being revealed, and the 40 gold coins representing the cash move to the cash part of the board, which is now also being revealed. Now, as before, we're going to buy a machine, so we're going to do exactly what it says, put a 5 in there, we're buying a yellow machine, we move the money across to the buy, let it go, and that first machine slot is now being filled with a yellow machine. And you'll notice here that there is a recruit staff option that's come up in line with what we have here. So we're going to put in the 3 because we have to recruit staff to be able to operate our machines. So there we go. And again, we now have to buy stock. Again, this is similar to before. We buy the stock. We have one yellow machine. The yellow, blue and green will only give you the option to buy stock if you actually own the machines. And obviously in this round there's no option to buy any more machines, but as we go through subsequent rounds you will be able to buy more yellow machines or indeed blue and green machines up to a total of 4. So we're going to go for 6 here, and that's 12. We're going to place the order there. Excellent. Now we have to pay for our stock. Exactly the same as in the moving balance sheet exercise. We're a new business, so I'm afraid we're going to have to pay cash. Put 12 in there, move the 12 cash across, and that pays the suppliers, so we've done that. Now we have to pay for promotion. Now normally this is determined by the number of quotes you wish to enter into the market. There is a false market for the January round. You will be only making 2 bids and you will only be winning 1 of them. This is just to introduce you to the mechanics of the market itself. So this is why you're having to pay 2. That number will be chosen by you depending on how many orders you bid for when you have a real market, and the simulation will not allow you to move forward until the number of bids you've submitted is matched by the amount you pay in the promotion. So in this example here, we're just paying for 2, and you move the 2 across to the revealed promotion box on the board. Now, what we have here is, this is the example of our bids. Obviously, the market, when you actually do it for real, will be much bigger than this. But as you can see, we have put 2 bids in for 6 yellow widgets. At a price of 43 for customer Y1 and a price of 47 for customer Y2. And now we reach the end of the phase. We're now going to go to the market, so we hit the end phase button. Are we sure we're going to do that? Yes, we are. Now, we're going to stop at this stage, and you will not be able to continue any further until you actually come and join the simulation or the demonstration of the simulation, depending on where you are. I hope you found this video useful. Remember, do the moving balance sheet exercise video first and then do January, and you'll be fully prepared to take part in the simulation. I wish you all the best.